Hey loves, in today's video I will be reviewing the Chique 5-piece complete face glitter kit from Five Below. I purchased the Chique 5-piece complete face glitter kit from Five Below for $5. I am using the Smokey eye brush to apply the yellow shadow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place directly into and above the crease of my eye. With the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, I am applying the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright to my brow bone. Using the small shadow brush, I am applying the brown shade from the Zulu palette to the outer half of my lid. I am applying the Copper Sparkle Pigment by MAC to the remainder of my lid with the BH Cosmetics small flat shader brush. I am creating my winged liner using the liner brush to apply the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Charmer. I am curling my lashes with the Vivitar Simply Beautiful Heated Eyelash Curler that I also purchased from Five Below for $5. This product is amazing. It does a great job of curling my lashes and picking up those stragglers that hang below that a manual lasher usually wouldn't get. I have a review video up on my channel for this eyelash curler, and the link will be available down below in the description. Now I am applying the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. For lashes, I will be wearing my current favorite pair, which is the LA Colors 3D Faux Mink Lash in the style Andie. I am blending this orange shadow into my lower lash line using my AOA E115. I am applying Charmer to my waterline using the BH Cosmetics small flat liner brush. I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the LA Colors Iced Pigment in Toasted using the lip brush. Using the blush brush, I am applying the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Mellow Wine to the apples of my cheeks and blending upwards towards my temple. The Chique 5-piece complete face glitter kit is a pretty good brush set. Despite the fact that it isn't a complete face brush kit, it only has one face brush, in addition to its 3 eyeshadow brushes and lip brush. But given the fact that the bristles were nice and soft, it was really easy for me to apply and blend in my makeup, especially the blush brush. I really like how big and fluffy it is. It diffused my blush very well. And with the kit only being $5, you're paying $1 per brush, and I think that's pretty good. I will put a link to the Five Below website where you can check out this kit for yourself, as well as all of the other products I use to achieve this look. Let me know what you thought of today's video down below in a comment, and until next time, bye loves!